To come to a shared definition of analytics, let's start with the data value chain. Data has been called a lot of things: a new natural resource, the new oil, the new water, and so on and so forth. Being so, data then has to be mined and refined to extract the value from it. Analytics enables this transformation, and it starts, of course, with the creation of data. At this stage, data is created and generated from its source, mostly from us: personal biodata, an employment application form, a bank loan application form, our medical records. When we buy something from a physical store or an online store, when we call or text someone, when we take a photo, when we create videos, when we post something on Facebook or on Twitter, we create data. Machines and equipment can also create data: biometric machines, CCTVs, barcode scanners in retail stores, our phones, our computers. This is the birth of data. All of these are collected by various people and organizations, stored into their applications, waiting to be extracted for the value that they will provide. The first transformation that data goes through is when it is extracted from these various sources and consolidated into a single repository. In this process, data is cleaned, categorized, transformed, aggregated, and loaded into a single repository where similar data from the past was also stored. At this stage, data is transformed into information. At this stage as well, organizations will be able to answer the question, what happened? The second transformation that data goes through is when information is transformed to insights. At this stage, since our single data repository also contains historical information, organizations can now see if there are trends or patterns that will emerge from all this stored information. From these trends and patterns, organizations will now be able to answer the questions: why did it happen? What could likely happen next? The value of data will not be fully realized until organizations act on the insights that emerge from the analysis that had been done so far. The transformation then of insights to imperatives or actionable insights is the last transformation that data goes through. Given the insights of what could likely happen next, analytics can develop various options that will help organizations answer the question, what should be done next? From these options, organizations can decide on a course of action for their organization. This is the data value chain, from the birth of data to information answering the question, what happened? To insights, answering the questions, why did it happen? What could likely happen next? To imperatives or actionable insights, answering the question, what should be done next?